Hello everyone, this is Om and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, what we are going to discuss today? Today we are going to discuss a house plan and I'm sure that all of you have already seen that on thumbnail, but today is something special. Okay, so this was the plan that we have decided to make and it was based on the requirement of one of our clients. Okay, so the story behind it goes like this. So we had our client and he said that I want to build a house in a 30 feet by 50 feet plot area. Okay, so the plot area was clear to us. But the challenge was that he wanted to make it for his two sons so that when at the time of the partition, they can get the equal portion of the building. Okay, so we had to plan actually 15 feet by 50 feet of the area, which is around 750 square feet. Okay, and in this 750 square feet, what was his requirement? He wanted a 3 BHK with the drawing hall and open terrace. Okay, so that was his requirement. So basically, um, our job was to make a 15 feet by 50 feet plan and then copy the same plan to the right side so that both of the sons can get the equal area. Now I have already discussed one alternative of the plan in the previous video. So if you want to get the ideas from there, then you can simply go to the channel of the Civil Raja, subscribe it, press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we are uploading a new video. And if you want to just check the video, then you can simply just go ahead and just scroll down and you will find the video of 15 feet by 30 feet house plan. And today we are going to discuss a north facing house plan. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the final result of it and how this house plan was looking. So here we have our north facing house plan. So we have the ground floor as well as the first floor over here. Now I will show you the dimensions. So in this direction we had the 30 feet of the dimension which has to be distributed among the two sons, that is both of the son will get 15 feet each. Then the vertical dimension was of 50 feet over here. Now I had to plan. So on the left and on the right, we have the same plan copied on each of the floor, that is the ground floor as well as on the first floor. So I will just study one half of the plan so that you can get the clear idea in less time. Now you can see we have this Porsche area. So obviously everyone needs the parking area over here. So in this Porsche area, we had allotted it a space of 14 feet 4 inches by 11 feet 4 inches, which is quite wide for anything that you want to do over here. And you can place the main gate at this place. Okay. Now you can see we have a beautiful design over here. Okay. Which will be reflected when we are discussing the elevation. Okay. And I will show you the elevation also. Then this is the main entrance of the building, which is opening directly to the drawing room. And again, we have a drawing room of 10 feet by 10 feet, which is not very big, but a comfortable space. Then through this drawing room, we will enter the dining cum living room over here. So this has been allotted with a space of 11 feet 1 inches by 10 feet 8 inches. Whatever I am discussing over here is the internal dimension and not the dimension including the walls. Okay, so this is the internal dimension of the room or the area that I am discussing over here. Just beneath the staircase, we have a toilet which is quite spacious because it is a 4 feet by 7 feet toilet, and that space is quite good enough for a common toilet over here. Then we have an open well staircase over here. So you can see this is a open well staircase and it is starting right from here. Then we have two doors. One is opening to the kitchen, which is also leading to the wash area, and this wash area is also providing the passage to the storeroom over here. Now, the second door is taking us to a bedroom over here. Okay, and this bedroom is again 8 feet 10 inches by 12 feet, which is kind of a good bedroom. Okay, so this wash area is very much needed to provide the ventilation to this kitchen and the bedroom. Now, the question was about the ventilation of the other units of the building. So, on the drawing come living area, you can see this is kind of a open space, so there is no like need of any kind of a particular duct over here. Okay, or if you want, then you can simply also provide a duct at this place. Okay, in this portion of the staircase, because that is the beauty of the open well staircase, that you can also add a duct over here. Now over here you can see we have this toilet and the drawing room, and these are getting the ventilation from the front of the building, because it is directly getting opening over here. Now you can also like make a small lawn if you want, because the space is quite enough. That is 4 feet 4 inches wide. Okay, 5 feet 4 inches wide will not be considered over here, because this is just for the design. So we can also make a lawn over here, but mostly this area will be used for the parking. Now we have to go to the next floor, that is the first floor. So we will go through this staircase and we will reach through here, and you can see now this is our first floor. Whenever we are studying any first floor, then we will always uh, start studying it from the like a staircase. Why so? Because if you had to study any like full floor, then you will go with the entrance point, and the staircase is the entrance point for the first floor or the next floors. Okay, but for the ground floor, the entrance point can be in the like front, on the side, in the uh, on the back. So whatever is the main door over there, you can study it from there. So this building has just a single main entrance over here. Actually the main entrance is this one, but this is the main entrance to the building. This is the main entrance to the plot area. Okay, so now we will go for the first floor and we will start studying it from the staircase. Okay, so this cross sign is just showing that it is not visible on this particular floor. Okay, now we will go over here, and this is again taking us to two different doors that are just opposite to each other. So on this side, we have our bedroom, that is 10 feet 9 inches by 14 feet 3 inches, and it is also opening to a open terrace over here, and we have a toilet over here. So we can see we have a spacious bedroom as well as we have a comfortable toilet space over here. Now this place is left vacant. Why so? Because we had provided the wash area at the ground floor, and since we have provided the wash area over here, so we cannot construct anything over here, otherwise it will block the site. Okay, so we cannot cast any kind of slab over here, so that's why this area is looking vacant over here. Now this can be used as the open terrace, and it is 6 feet wide, so it is quite good over here. Now on this side, you can see we again have a bedroom, a toilet, and a balcony. And now you can clearly see this line. So now this line is in the bold line. That means it is visible on this floor. It was shown like a dotted line because it was not visible on this floor. So this is how we have to study a plan carefully. Now on the right side, it is just the replica of the what we have planned on the left. Okay, so guys, I think the concept is quite clear over here. And guys, if you are a civil engineer or an architecture student, then our channel is going to be very useful for you. So just after liking and sharing this video, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can also press the bell icon so that whenever we are posting a new video, you get notified. Now the next thing is, this can also be useful if you are willing to make a 30 feet by 50 feet house, or if you want to make a house of different dimension, if you have a different plot area, then you can also directly approach us, and our number is in the description. It's 8433248861, and don't worry, that call will directly be redirected to me and not to my team, because that is my personal number that has been circulated over there. Now guys, if you are a student or even a site engineer or anything related to civil engineering, and you want to make a career in the building planning, then you are going to be very happy, because we are soon going to launch our professional course for that, and that will be on our website. So yes guys, we are going to start with our website also, and within 10 working days we will also have our own app. Okay, so that is the announcement of the day, and now we will go for the elevation over here. So let's have a look at the elevation. So you can see this is the elevation. This is a kind of a modern but simple elevation. Okay, so you can see the doors and the windows over here. Then this is the ventilator which was providing the ventilation for the toilet area. So as you can see on the plan, we whenever we are studying any kind of elevation, then we had to always relate that to the plan. Okay, so this is the door, then this is the window, and then this is the ventilator. Okay, then we will go to the next floor. On the next floor, what we have these this door and this ventilator over here. So let's see, and the provision of the window is also visible. So this is the balcony area, particularly this area. I will show you. I will highlight it. So this is the balcony area. Just behind the balcony area, what we have, a door and a window, and this is the ventilator that we were accessing in the toilet area. Okay, so like this we have to make the floor look beautiful. Okay, now what is the beauty of this elevation? What we have done over here, everything is symmetric, just the copy of each other, but here we have made this triangle a symmetry, right? So this triangle is a symmetry. So this is adding the beauty to the building. If you would have gone for the triangle on this side, then that that would have not made such a better option. Okay, so that is the specialty of this particular elevation. So there are very simple things that we have to do, but there are concepts behind it, and if you want to learn all those concepts, then you can simply just give me a call on the number that is there in the description. It's 8433248864. So this was Engineer Om, and you can simply hit the like button and share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.